Welcome to my channel to learn the Arabic language in a correct and easy way. This channel will help you learn Arabic the right way by listening to a real human voice. In this series of lessons, we will cover the most important phrases and vocabulary common in our daily lives. That will help you master the Arabic language, whether you are a beginner or in the learning phase. Let us begin this enjoyable journey. Welcome back to another exciting Arabic lesson. Today, we're learning something you'll use every single day, the days of the week in Arabic. So bring a notebook and a pen to learn how to write them well. And repeat with me every word I say so that your pronunciation of the Arabic letters improves well. Are you ready? Let's begin.
أيام الأسبوع أيام الأسبوع أيام الأسبوع
Days of the week. The beginning of the week is Monday. In Arabic we say
الاثنين الاثنين الاثنين
Say it with me.
الاثنين الاثنين
One more time.
الاثنين الاثنين
Great! Monday. Perfect pronunciation means you're one step closer to sounding like a native.
الثلاثاء الثلاثاء الثلاثاء
A bit tricky, right? But you've got this. Keep going.
الثلاثاء الثلاثاء
One more time.
الثلاثاء الثلاثاء
Great!
الأربعاء الأربعاء الأربعاء
Nice. Roll that R and enjoy the rhythm. Arabic is fun. Now repeat slowly with me.
الأربعاء الأربعاء الأربعاء
Bravo! You're doing an amazing job.
الخميس الخميس الخميس
Now say it slowly with me.
الخميس الخميس الخميس
Great job. Thursday. You're improving with every word.
الجمعة الجمعة الجمعة
Please, repeat after me.
الجمعة الجمعة الجمعة
One more time.
الجمعة الجمعة
Perfect. Friday. This is a very special day in many Arab countries. It is also distinguished by the communal prayer held in mosques called Friday prayer, making it a holy day.
السبت السبت السبت
Let's say it together slowly.
السبت السبت السبت
Excellent. It means Saturday. Short and easy. You nailed it.
الأحد الأحد الأحد
Please repeat this word with me again.
الأحد الأحد الأحد
One more time.
الأحد الأحد
Amazing. It means Sunday. And now, you know the whole week in Arabic. Now we will do a simple exercise to consolidate what we have read. Are you ready? Take your time and think carefully about the correct answer. First question, how do we say Thursday in Arabic? Try to remember calmly and don't worry. This is just an exercise to consolidate what you learned with me in this video, so relax and you will find the answer. That's good. You're trying to be comfortable and you can also pronounce it easily like this.
الخميس الخميس الخميس.
The second question, how do we say Tuesday in Arabic? What is the right choice? Well done this time. Be sure that with time you will find yourself remembering everything we learned. Trust yourself. Say with me.
الثلاثاء. الثلاثاء.
Question 3. How do we say Friday in Arabic? Do you remember what we said about Friday being a special day in most Arab countries? Very well. You are doing a great job, and remember that every attempt is a step towards success. The correct answer is
الجمعة. الجمعة. الجمعة.
Question 4. How do we say Saturday in Arabic? Think carefully before answering. Don't rush and take your time. The answer is easy. Yes, this is the correct answer. You did it. Now try to pronounce it easily like me.
السبت. السبت. السبت.
Now let's practice pronouncing the days of the week in another way by putting them in examples in the form of simple and easy sentences that will help you learn more vocabulary. And as I always tell you, relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat with me slowly.
ذهبت إلى العمل يوم الاثنين. ذهبت إلى العمل يوم الاثنين.
Please, repeat after me.
ذهبت إلى العمل يوم الاثنين. ذهبت إلى العمل يوم الاثنين.
You just learned how to say, I went to work on Monday in Arabic. Keep going. Soon you'll be speaking like a native.
سأزور جدتي يوم الثلاثاء. سأزور جدتي يوم الثلاثاء.
Let's say it together slowly.
سأزور جدتي يوم الثلاثاء. سأزور جدتي يوم الثلاثاء.
Great job. Now you can say, I will visit my grandmother on Tuesday in Arabic. Keep practicing. Family visits sound even warmer in Arabic.
لدينا اجتماع يوم الأربعاء. لدينا اجتماع يوم الأربعاء.
Now say it with me slowly.
لدينا اجتماع يوم الأربعاء. لدينا اجتماع يوم الأربعاء.
Nice. You've just learned how to talk about meetings in Arabic. Perfect for work or school conversations.
نصلي في المسجد يوم الجمعة. نصلي في المسجد يوم الجمعة.
Let's say it together slowly.
نصلي في المسجد يوم الجمعة. نصلي في المسجد يوم الجمعة.
Beautiful. This is how you say, we pray in the mosque on Friday, an important phrase for cultural understanding.
أرتاح في البيت يوم الأحد. أرتاح في البيت يوم الأحد.
Now repeat slowly with me.
أرتاح في البيت يوم الأحد. أرتاح في البيت يوم الأحد.
Well done! Now you can say, I rest at home on Sunday in Arabic. Perfect for your weekend plans. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new today. Don't forget to write down the words and practice them every day. For more detailed and free Arabic lessons, join me on my YouTube channel, Learn Arabic with Sara. Let's keep learning together.